Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best laundry basket is probably one of the most underrated home essentials, but trust me, it can make a world of difference in your laundry routine. From its convenient portability to its surprisingly large capacity, this seemingly simple item can streamline your chores and keep your space tidy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry baskets, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect fit for your home. Number 5. Zero Jet Lag 22 Beige Slim Laundry Hamper. This slim laundry hamper is designed to fit into narrow spaces. Its dimensions are 15x8x22, making it perfect for dorm rooms or small apartments. It's a great space-saving solution. The drawstring mesh cover keeps your laundry clean and tidy. The wheels make it easy to move around, even when it's full. This design makes laundry day a breeze. This hamper is easy to collapse when not in use, thanks to its removable fiberglass shafts and metal frame. When folded, it measures 15x8x22, saving you valuable space. It's convenient and practical. Made from 100% polyester 600D Oxford fabric, this hamper is built to last. It has a PE board in the bottom for stability and a handle on the side for easy carrying. It's suitable for various settings, from homes to college dorms. The mesh top keeps laundry fresh and odor-free, while the waterproof lining prevents leaks. The smooth wheels make it easy to transport heavy loads. It's a practical gift for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. What we like? This slim and tall hamper is designed to fit into tight spaces, making it perfect for apartments or dorm rooms. It's also collapsible, so you can store it away when not in use. If you are looking for a space-saving solution, this is the one for you. This design is also perfect for students. What people say. The laundry basket is easy to assemble. The wheels make it easy to move around. It is a good size for a small space. Number 4. VASAGLE Laundry Sorter with 2 bags. This laundry sorter features 2 compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. It makes sorting your laundry simple and efficient. This design helps you keep your clothes organized. The top shelf provides extra space for storage or display. It's designed with slats to allow for airflow. This feature helps to minimize odors. The bags are easy to remove and wash. Each bag has a plastic panel at the bottom to prevent sagging. You can easily detach them for cleaning. The sorter has a sturdy steel frame and MDF panel. The shelf can support up to 44 pounds, adjustable feet ensure excellent stability. This laundry hamper is perfect for various spaces. You can place it in your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. It's a practical solution for any home. What we like? This hamper features 2 compartments, allowing you to sort your laundry easily. It also has a convenient top shelf for extra storage. If you like to keep your laundry organized and your space tidy, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to separate lights and darks. What people say. The laundry basket is easy to assemble. The wheels roll smoothly. It is a great size for a family. Number 3. Sterilite Ultra Wheeled Hamper. This hamper is designed to handle large loads of laundry. It's spacious enough to hold everything you need, making laundry day much easier. With smooth gliding wheels and a retractable handle, you can easily move it around. This feature reduces strain, especially on busy wash days. The flip-top lid keeps clothes contained and covered. The ventilated base promotes airflow, helping to minimize odors and moisture. Integrated side handles provide a comfortable grip. This makes it easy to lift and carry, even when it's full of laundry. It's made with strong plastic construction and a reinforced rim. It's built to withstand everyday use, offering ample space for all your laundry needs. What we like? This hamper offers a large capacity and a retractable handle for easy transport. The ventilated design helps to minimize odors. If you have a lot of laundry or need to move it across long distances, this is the ideal option. It's great for families or anyone who does laundry frequently. What people say. The laundry basket is easy to move around. It is a great size and holds a lot of laundry. The wheels work great. Number 2. Sterilite Ultra Laundry Hamper with lid, handle and wheels. Tired of lugging heavy laundry baskets? This hamper is designed to make your life easier. It features wheels and a handle, so you can effortlessly roll it to and from the laundry room. Made from durable plastic, this hamper is built to last. Its contemporary design and ventilated base add a touch of style while ensuring proper air circulation for your clothes. The lid keeps your clothes neatly contained. The hamper's dimensions are 19 to 5/8 inches long, 12 to 7/8 inches wide, and 28 to 1/8 inches high, providing ample space for your laundry needs. This hamper is incredibly easy to use. Simply load it up, close the lid, and roll it wherever you need to go. It's the perfect solution for simplifying your laundry routine. This Sterilite hamper is the ideal laundry companion. It combines functionality, durability, and style, making laundry day a breeze. Get yours today. What we like? This hamper features a contemporary design and a ventilated base. It's also built to last. If you like a simple, functional design, this is a great choice. It is perfect for those who want a basic, reliable hamper. What people say? Well constructed and easy to wheel around. It's roomier than it looks. You can get a good bit of laundry in it. Fits well through doorways and can be carried up and down the basement stairs by the handles and/or edge. Plenty of holes help keep dirty clothes ventilated until laundry day. It holds a good amount of laundry and is easy to move with the wheels attached. This is a very good hamper, great wheels, strong handle and finished in and out in shiny white, so easy to clean. Easy to clean in and out. Number 1. SONGMICS 50.2 gallon laundry basket with wheels. Tired of multiple trips to the laundry room? This hamper has a generous capacity, perfect for holding a large amount of clothes and bedding. It makes laundry day much more manageable. The built-in casters make it easy to move this laundry basket around. 2 of the wheels lock, so you can keep it in place while you sort your clothes. This laundry organizer is built to last. The sturdy steel frame and rust-resistant coating ensure it can handle heavy loads. It's a reliable choice for your laundry needs. The laundry bag is made of durable polyester fabric with a PVC coating. The attached clasps keep the bag securely fastened to the frame, preventing any spills. Don't worry about complicated setups. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have this laundry cart assembled quickly. It's designed for your convenience. What we like? This laundry basket has an extra large capacity, perfect for big loads. It also features locking wheels for stability. If you need to haul a lot of laundry at once, this is the perfect solution. It's great for large families or those with lots of bedding. What people say? It holds all of our clothes. The wheels are very sturdy and big, so it can easily roll on carpet or over a rug. It's easy to move around the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.